ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Now the problem 11, integral cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x into 2 plus 2 sin 2x dx. Take 2 is taken common in this, so that is 1 plus sin 2x. This is as it is same, and this part can be written as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. That is the sin x plus cos x whole square. Integral cos x minus sin x into, so this is sin x plus cos x whole square by sin x plus cos x dx. So sin x plus cos x whole square gets cancelled. 2 of integral cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x. So this is cos square x minus sin square x dx. That is equal to 2 of cos 2x formula dx. 2 into integral of cos x is sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. So this integration is sin 2x by its derivative 2. Write down. Next one, integral, this is question number 14, integral e power x by 2 minus 1 dx. Integral e power x by 2 minus 1 dx. This integral e power x by 2 into e power x by 2 by e power x by 2 minus 1 dx. E power minus x by 2 dx. Now derivative of e power x by 2 is what? Derivative of e power x by 2. E power x by 2 into 1 by 1 by 2. Okay, na? Now this is treated as t. Put e power x by 2 minus 1 equal to t. E power x by 2. E power x by 2. Derivative. E power x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. So e power x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. Implies e power x equal to t plus 1, e power x by 2. Therefore the given integral is e power x by 2, that is t plus 1, and e power x by 2 dx, e power x by dx 2 dt by e power x by 2 minus 1, that is t. So that is 2 integral t plus 1 by t, 1 plus 1 by t dt. That is 2 times of integral of 1 is t. Integral of 1 by t is log of mod t plus c, where t is equal to what? Where t equal to e power x by 2 minus 1. E power x by 2 minus 1. Straight on. Next one, 15th problem, integral x plus arc ARC cos 3x whole square by root of 1 minus 9x square dx. Arc means cos inverse of 3x, that is. So that is integral x by root of 1 minus 9x square dx plus. This is cos, arc means cos inverse. Integral cos inverse of 3x whole square by root of 1 minus 9x square dx. Okay. What is the derivative of this? Minus 18x f dash x by root of f of x. The formula is 2 root f of x plus c. 2 root f of x plus c. And this is derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now its derivative is minus 1 by root of 1 minus 9x square into 3. Now this is f of x whole power n into f dash x form. Now I write derivative is what? Minus 18x. So I am multiplying, dividing by minus 18 by root of 1 minus 9x square dx. If you go through 1 minus 9x square equal to t, that is equivalent good. But what I am saying is what? Avoid substitution method if possible. It is not possible for all problems. Some problems you have to go for substitution method. That's why. So this is, it is simple, f dash x by root f of x plus integral cos inverse of 3x whole square into 1 by root of 1 minus 9x square dx. Now this is derivative f of x whole power n into f dash x, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So derivative is what? Derivative minus 3. You can put minus 1 by 3. So I repeated the same words many times. Differentiation, that is an important role while solving the problems. Integration. You know what is your position, whether you are feeling good or average or below average in differentiation. According to that, you can take a decision, and once you go through the differentiation, then only the problems you feel very, very, very easy. Now this is f dash x by root f of x. 2 root 1 minus 9x square minus 1 by 3 into f of x whole power n into f dash x. So cos inverse of 3x whole power n plus 1, that is 3 by 3 plus c. Right down. The 16th problem, integral 2 power minus x into tan h 2 power 1 minus x dx. Hyperbolic functions. 2 power 1 minus x is equal to t. 2 power 1 minus x is equal to t. Now that is, its derivative is 2 power 1 minus x into log 2 base c into minus 1. Derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1. dx is equal to dt. So this is 2 power minus, this is minus x into, this is 2 into 2 power 1 into dx is equal to 1 by log 2 base c dx dt. So this is 2 power minus x dx. 2 power minus x dx equal to minus 1 by 2 into log 2 base c dt. Therefore, the given integral 2 power minus x dx is equal to, so this is constant integral. So this constant. So minus 1 by 2 log 2 base c dt. This is tan h t. This is treated as t, tan h t, that is equal to minus, that is minus 1 by 2 log 2 base c sin h t by cos h t dt. Now this is f dash x by f of x. Derivative of cos is cos ht is sin ht. So this is f dash x by f of x, log mod f of x plus c, that equal to minus 1 by 2 log 2 base e into log of mod cos ht plus c, where t equal to 2 power 1 minus x. Write down. Integral sin power 5x into cos power 100x dx. In the very beginning, that is integral f of x whole power n into f dash x formula, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In that, there only we discuss more number of problems. Just once you go through our notes, so we have this type of problems are there. Or integral, there are two methods. First one is cos power 100x into, this is sin power 4x. Sin power 4x means sin square x whole square into sin x dx. Sin x dx. Integral cos power 100x into 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x dx. Integral cos power 100x into a square 1 plus cos power 4x minus 2 cos square x into sin x dx. That is integral, this is cos x whole power 100 into sin x dx plus integral cos x whole power 104 into sin x dx. Next, multiplying into this minus 2 into integral cos x whole power 102 into sin x dx. Sin x dx. Now this is of the form integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So you can minus. Next term, what about this one? This is derivative of cos x is minus sin x. You can put minus and minus 1. There also derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So you can make it as plus, you can put minus here. Okay. Now this is minus cos x cos x whole power 101 by 101. Next, minus, this is cos x whole power 105 by 105 plus 2 into cos x whole power 103 by 103 plus c plus c, or here you put cos x is equal to t. This is one process. Right on. If f of x is equal to, this is the problem number 25, f of x equal to cos x minus cos square x and plus cos cube x plus cos cube x minus cos power 4x plus and so on up to infinity. And so on up to infinity. Then integral f of x dx is equal to. So they are in GP. So S infinity formula a by 1 minus r. A is cos x by a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. So this is cos x by, so this is 1 plus cos x dx. A is cos x, common ratio is minus cos x, common ratio minus cos x. Therefore, given integral, so this is cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x by 1 plus cos x. So the problems can be done in two methods. Which method you have to follow and see the options. Very beginning without substitution method, at that time you are multiplying and dividing by 1 minus cos x. That is one method, 1 minus cos x. And also now this can be written as adding and subtracting 1 minus cos x minus 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So that is equal to integral of 1 dx, 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. minus integral 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x dx. Integral of 1 is x minus 1 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So you have a doubt, sir, why don't you multiply and dividing by 1 minus cos x? That is also correct. You check the options in terms of angles are x by 2 or in general process. So that is, it depends on the options. That is x minus 1 by 2 integral secant square x by 2 dx. Secant square x by 2 dx. That is equal to that is x minus 1 by 2. Integral of secant square is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So these gets cancelled. That is equal to x minus tan x by 2 plus c is answer. Next one, integral 26th question number, integral cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole power 5 dx. Cos x by 2 or plus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power 5 dx. This integral cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by denominator as it is whole power 5 dx. That is integral a square minus b square form. So this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by, so this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power 5 dx. So one term gets cancelled, so this gets cancelled, this becomes 4. Now it is integral, so this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power minus 4 into this is minus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 dx. Now the derivative of cos x by 2 is what? Minus sin x by 2 into 1 by 2. Derivative of sin x by 2 cos x by 2 into 1 by 2. So I am multiplying and dividing by 2. So this is 2 of integral, this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power minus 4 into, so this is minus 1 by 2 sin x by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos x by 2 dx. This is f of x, this is f dash x. F of x, f dash x. So, this is integral using fx whole power n into f dash of x dx. Formula f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So, that is equal to 2 of this is. So, this is the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Next one, to evaluate the integrals. To evaluate integrals of the form integral a plus b sin x by b plus a sin x whole square dx. B plus a sin x whole square dx. Integral is of the form here dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. So, this is a plus b sin x by cos square x by b plus a sin x. This right by cos x whole square dx. This is cos square x by cos square take inside, that becomes cos x whole square. Now that is integral. So this is a secant square x. Next plus b sin by cos 1 by cos b tan x into secant x by this is b secant x plus a tan x whole square dx. Whole square dx. That is integral. So this is integral. So this is a tan x plus b secant x whole power minus 2 into this one a secant square x plus b tan x into secant x dx. Now the derivative a secant square x, derivative of this b secant x into tan x, fx whole power n into f dash x form, that is equal to a tan x plus b secant x whole power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by a tan x plus b secant x plus c. Or if you reduce, okay, just write down this, write sin by cos 1 by cos, write down so that is that equal to minus 1 by a sin x by cos x plus b by cos x plus c, that is minus cos x by b plus a sin x plus c. Okay, next one, to evaluate the integrals of the form a plus b cos x by b plus a cos x whole square dx. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin square x and do the same process. A plus b cos x by b plus a sin x whole square dx. Dividing numerator and denominator by sin square x and reduce into standard form. What is that form? F of x whole power n into f dash x. So that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c form.